Hello everyone, this is Anees Ahamed Baig and I am pursuing my BTech final year in Pottisgram College of Engineering and Technology. I am from electronics and communication background. Basically, I was interested in automation and AI/ML, and I recently enrolled in Google Cloud Facilitator and act as a Google Cloud Facilitator traineeship program from Maharashtra, Mumbai campus. And successfully, by God's grace, and I finalized my ultimate milestone. I reached every milestone which they have put marker to me, and I had done every assignment which was assigned by Google Cloud, and had reached the up to mark which was their cutoff. And finally, by the hard work, I found my gratitude today by their amazing goodies and gifts, which really inspired me to grow more and enhance more towards the Google Cloud technology. And I really thankful to my parents which they given a gratitude support, and to my mentor Dr. Ravi, and he's also a step on to me. And the foremost other, and her name is Vijetha from US. She supported a lot to me grow more towards the Google Cloud, and I thankful to each and everyone who supported me as a backbone to move forward in this technical era. And let me showcase you whatever the goodies I had got from Google Cloud. First of all, as you can see here, I got my accreditation template greeting card from Google Cloud. Like, congratulations, they are greeting me that I had reached the ultimate milestone up to the mark. I had stand up with the first grade in their milestones, and it was really awesome, and feeling it gratitude towards my hard work. And coming to next, as you can see here, one more thing, the pen which was really beautiful, and I it is also very nice, like pen. And coming to next thing, they sent some amazing stickers of their Google Cloud logo, which really helpful. In the sense, like, we can use it as a laptop stickers and everywhere. And coming to the foremost badge, which was really amazing. See, this badge itself creates me like as a member of Google Cloud from now itself, and I really thankful to Google to be joining me as their member in my pre-final year of stage. So I really thankful to Google. And coming to the foremost thing, I got my T-shirt. Like, it's a bit size of mine. Like, I ordered it, and it was really nice with the Google Cloud logo with good quality also. As you can see there, hashtag Google Cloud ready. So it's a program which they like kept before 3 months, from the April to July. They had conducted Google Cloud ready program, in which we have to enhance our cloud skills and complete their assignments up to the mark, and the day-to-day evaluation will be there. So we need to compete with throughout the Indian nation, and we need to like reach their levels to complete these milestones. By God's grace, I found ultimate milestone. And another more thing, they had sent to me this sling bag, which was really good quality, and it's very awesome bag, like where we can handle laptops or water bottles. So it's good, pretty awesome. I think so. So this is a sling bag, as you can see. And the foremost, the big goodie in my package I got is like, this is the college bag, laptop bag, where we can handle laptop as well as the books to college to carry. So here you can see the awesome logo, beautiful logo of Google Cloud, as well as their company name. So this is the swags which was I received from Google Cloud by reaching the ultimate milestone. So the main purpose to showcase this to you, to be an like inspiration as well as motivations to you to get move forward steps toward the technical era. And I love to go forward with Google Cloud for more longer and longer in my life. And I really thankful to Google for believing me and helping me to get milestones. Thank you.